In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add LinkedIn on your email signature in just 5 minutes. Getting started, an email signature is a powerful tool, not just for sharing your contact details, but also for expanding your professional network. Including your LinkedIn profile in your email signature can make it much easier for contacts to connect with you on a professional level. First things first, you'll need to access your email settings. For many of us, that means heading to Gmail, a common choice for personal and professional use. Begin by opening your Gmail inbox. Look towards the upper right corner, and you will find a small gear icon, symbolizing settings. Click on this icon. This action opens a quick settings menu. However, what we're looking for is the comprehensive settings menu. So you'll need to click on See All Settings to proceed to the next step. Once you're in the full settings menu, scroll down until you find the signature section. This is typically located under the general tab if it hasn't been moved. Here you have the option to create a new signature or edit an existing one. Go ahead and type in the details you wish to include in your signature. This might include your name, position, company, and of course the link to your LinkedIn profile. Now let's add your LinkedIn profile to your signature. Simply paste the URL of your LinkedIn profile into your signature. Once pasted, you might notice it just looks like any other text. To transform this link into an actual clickable hyperlink, double-click to highlight the entire URL. Then click on the hyperlink button. It looks like a small chain link and is usually located somewhere within your email editor's toolbar. After clicking the hyperlink button, a small window will appear where you can edit the link if necessary. Generally, since you've pasted the URL, there's no need to make changes, just ensure it's correct. Finally, it's essential not to miss this last step. Scroll to the bottom of the settings page and click on Save Changes. If you skip this step, all your hard work will be for naught, as none of your signature changes will be saved. And there you have it. You've successfully added your LinkedIn profile to your email signature. Now every email you send will carry a direct link to your LinkedIn, thereby increasing the chances of expanding your professional network with every email. Remember, a well-crafted email signature doesn't just share your details, it opens up opportunities for new connections and professional growth. Don't be afraid to update your signature regularly to keep it fresh and relevant. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on enhancing your digital professional presence.